Anytime that future generations can see themselves in the progress that's happening in a community, within an organization, in their neighborhood, that's incredibly impactful. One project that I'm really excited about and passionate about is a mixed-use project in one of the Black neighborhoods in Chicago. So I'm excited about the impact on the community. I am also very excited that this project is completely Black-led. So the developer is Black, the architects are Black, and we've assembled a team of consultants that are Black. And in my 20 years of practicing architecture and interior design, I have never been able to be involved in a project that is completely Black-led, that is benefiting a Black community. So I am just so excited about how this project will impact the neighborhood and also the professionals and the businesses that are involved in the development of it.